Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create PayPal.me link. And here's how it is done. Go to PayPal and make sure that you are already logged in. Click help and search for PayPal.me. Let us click this and then it says here, to create your own PayPal.me link, just visit this link and let us click this link. And then grab your link. Create PayPal.me profile. Let me just skip that and then make sure to create your PayPal link, and if you are done, just click next. After that, make sure to accept the terms and conditions and then click this. Click done. This is our PayPal.me link. Let me just copy it and paste in a different tab. And as you can see, this is a link where you can send money easily. And that's everything you need to know about how to create PayPal.me link. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.